In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Ghibli-style image in Chat GPT. If you want to turn a regular photo into something that feels soft, whimsical, and inspired by classic animated storytelling, this is a very simple process. We'll be using Chat GPT's image creation tools to upload a picture, write a clear prompt, and generate the final result. The key here is not just clicking the right buttons, but also understanding how to describe the style clearly so the output matches what you have in mind. To begin, open ChatGPT and click on Create an Image. This takes you into the image generation workflow, where you can either start from scratch or work from an existing photo. Since we want to transform a real image into a stylized version, this is the best place to start. Make sure you're in the correct tool before moving on, because that gives you access to image upload and prompt-based editing in one place. Next, click Add Image to upload your image. Choose the photo you want to transform. It can be a portrait, a landscape, or even a casual snapshot. But in general, images with clear subjects and decent lighting tend to give better looking results. After the upload finishes, take a quick moment to confirm that the correct image appears in the workspace. That way, you know ChatGPT will use the right visual reference when generating the new version. Once your image is uploaded, it's time to make a prompt. In the prompt field, type, "Transform this image in the style of Studio Ghibli," just like their biggest fan and admirer would, training for years to master the technique to near perfection. This prompt tells the AI two important things. First, it explains that you want the uploaded image to be transformed rather than replaced. Second, it gives strong stylistic direction, encouraging a look that feels detailed, polished, and inspired by that warm, handcrafted, animated aesthetic. When entering prompts, clarity matters. If your wording is too vague, the result may not feel as close to the visual style you want. After that, click Submit. ChatGPT will process the request and generate your Ghibli-style image based on the uploaded photo and the prompt you entered. Depending on your connection and the platform's speed, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time. Once the image appears, review the result carefully. Look at the colors, facial features, background details, and overall mood. If needed, you can always refine your prompt later, but this basic workflow is the core method for creating a Ghibli-style image in ChatGPT. And that's it. You've successfully turned your image into a stylized, animated-looking artwork.